Good morning, Social Cam. 8 seconds. Just hanging out. Getting ready to go to the farm. You know, bird. Let me kiss. No kisses. He's mad because he's going to go in his cage, and he knows as soon as I get dressed that he got to go back in his cage. So he's not really happy right now. Oh, sorry about the sunlight. There's the Tanner. Tanner, are you going to the farm? You are. Where's the bird? Where's your bird? Is that your bird? There's your bird. Zumba, can you say hello, Social Cam? Hello. I'm going to teach him how to say Social Cam. He says hello really clear now. Maybe he just needed some time to adjust, I guess. I don't know. But he's so cool. I love him so much. Not as much as I love Tan Man, but I'm drinking out of my Kisses for You cup. Oh. Starbucks coffee from my K-cup machine. Oh, my bird. He's nuts. He's nuts. He's nuts. He wants to get Tanner. Huh? You want to get Tanner? Oh, my good boy. I know you are. I know. I love you. I love that boy. I love that boy. I just love him. I can just squeeze his little head. His head's not that small, though. I gotta pay attention, though. Because Tanner's there and he gets mad. Want to come? No, he only comes when he wants to. At night, he likes to come on me. And I go in and I do the dishes and whatever, so, yeah. But he throws off a lot of dander, so, like, I'm constantly vacuuming and dusting. Ooh, I'm not used to that, so, but I guess I'll have to get used to it. So I hung these toys off of his cage, especially this wooden block right there, because see what he was doing to my freaking $600 picture? I have to move that. He hasn't tried to get Lexi's pictures yet. But yeah, I usually don't leave him unattended, but I do have to go to the bathroom and, you know, stuff like that. So I don't have a choice. But it is a beautiful day in New York. The sun is coming out. It's going to be 50 degrees today, which I'm excited about because the closer that spring comes, the sooner I can take my girl outside for a ride. Oh, Lord. What? Did I walk away from you? Too bad. Can you say hello? 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 Say hello. Say hello. Good boy. Hello. Hello. You're a good boy, huh? Mm-hmm. Hello. Hello. And they said you couldn't talk. Hello. Probably because I say hello and I love you about 1,000,000 times a day to you. All right, say bye-bye. See, when I say bye-bye, he knows I'm leaving. It does not make him happy. Get Tanner on the watch. Hello. Zuma, say hello. Hello. Are you happy, bird? Alright, this video is getting into 5 minutes long, sorry. So anyway, I will say, have a great day, everybody. And I want to thank
Mike and his family for my beautiful flowers one more time. Thank you very much, you guys. I really appreciate that. I love it. Because he can't see me. As soon as he sees me, he's fine. I'm going bye-byes now. You have to go in your cage. He's like, I don't think so. You're my special baby. I love you. I love you, Zumba. Alright, guys. I love you guys very much. Thank you for the cards again and the flowers. And I love you guys all so very much. I hope your Valentine's Day was as wonderful as mine. Mwah.